Welcome to Printer Care 101 on the VersaObject MO240 and 180 for cap top replacement. First, look at your control panel and notice the bell icon on the lower right. Cap top replacement is the first item on the notifications list, so click on that. And then hit execute. It will give you a warning because you are dealing with waste ink to wear appropriate safety gear, and then hit OK. As it says please wait, the printing table will slide down and back, and the print carriage will move to the left. Next, it will direct you to open the front cover and the maintenance cover, and as well as to touch the frame of the machine to eliminate any static electricity. You first need to remove the old cap top. There are two plastic clips on the front and the back, located here and corresponding one on the back, and lift from the sides. This one's already been removed, so you might need both hands for this, depending if your clips stick on. Use the plastic bag from the cap top to help with the disposal to keep your area clean. Next, you check the area to see if there's any dried ink bits and move those up, and then insert your new cap top. Your new cap top should click into place with the plastic clips on the front and back, and there is only one way to insert it due to the grooves. So position it, slide it, and it will click into place. Next, from the menu, hit Finish All, and then close the front and the maintenance cover. The MO240 will do a automatic clean, and you've successfully replaced the cap top. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.